And now, member of the disciplinary committee of the General Legal Council, Okudzeto, is challenging the power of a high court to overturn its decision to suspend human rights lawyer Francis Xavier Sosu. The celebrated human rights lawyer was handed a 3-year ban on June 1, 2017 for touting and personal advertisement on social media. The High Court, stating human rights abuse, overturned the sanction. Speaking on Upfront with Raymond Akwa, Mr. Okudzeto said the High Court lacked jurisdiction on the matter.
Your decision to suspend lawyer Francis Sosu was overturned by a court.
Well, the courts, sometimes some of them don't understand. Because
the court, rather?
Yeah, because the High Court purporting to be overturned the decision of the disciplinary committee, forgetting that on the disciplinary committee you had actually 3 Supreme Court judges. Now, what makes the High Court judge think that he understands the issues more than Supreme Court judges who are taking the decision?
But it's not a legal procedure. If the person has a problem, go to the High Court. Then
no, it's not even High Court. It's the Court of Appeal supposed to be appealed to the High Court. The appeal court. But even when the appeal court was given that power, it was the final court of the land. So technically, the decisions can only be reversed by the Supreme Court.
Supreme Court. Interesting.
So judges were assuming power which they don't have.
Wow, I've never heard this argument.
Oh, I'm telling you that you go and check.
Because what you're saying is that the courts which are lower than the Supreme Court cannot overturn the decision.
You have to look at the who are giving this. Exactly. Because you say we're taking this. Did you sit with us? Did you know the facts as they were? What are you reversing?
I said the human rights of the person were
the way you see the human rights now is being bombarded. I see lawyers who are stolen money, and then when they come before the disciplinary committee, then they rush to the High Court to say that human rights. And I ask them, whose human rights are you talking about? What is the person you cheated? He doesn't have a human rights.
The case in contest had to do with one, advertising.
Yes.
Yes, and also being reported by a client of taking some amount of money, like 50,000 from the client.
Yes, of course. But you're not supposed to advertise. It's part of the rules. It's quite clear in the rules that you're not supposed to advertise. But here you go on the line, and then you go, you put your, you dress in wig and gown, and you say you are a human rights lawyer. You act pro bono. People who are pro bono should come to you. That is advertisement. Who made you a pro bono lawyer? And then if you say pro bono, where were you collecting money from the people? Pro bono means free. Pro bono is free.
So now I'm confused. But he's been let go. He's going to practice his law.
Well, he will still get himself into more trouble, don't worry.
It's interesting to know that. And maybe I have to, they say my time is almost
unless he changed his psychic.
About how, but he's seen as a human rights advocate.
He's not a human rights advocate.
Helping people.
He's touting to make money.